Hi guys, so this is my 2002 Yamaha R6 for $1,500, and as you can see, it needs fairings and a little bit of love, so doesn't start right now. So today we're going to be replacing the battery. I got some fairings on order, so let's get to it. So I'm with my little brother right now, and we're going to be able to take out this battery, replace it with the new one. There's no cover on the, oh my god. How's this fuel tank not falling off? So there's some things that need to be fixed on this bike. So the clutch is very, very loose. I don't know if it has brakes. I haven't ridden it yet, but I need to do basic maintenance on the chain, get a new chain, get some full new pegs. Don't know if the shifter works, so we're gonna figure this out. All right, so we got the old battery out, the new battery in. We're gonna see if it turns over. We're gonna put it on the seat, and then we're gonna see if it turns. All right, so let's see if it starts after that battery change. Actually runs though. Yeah. I hope. Am I in neutral? I'm in first. The fuel light's on. There we go.
Now we're gonna go get gas.
Yup, we're gonna go get gas. So this is the issue we're running into. It has an uneven idle. Like, we got it started, everything like that. It just does not want to keep its charge. So we're just struggling with that at the moment. We're gonna ride it around, see what happens, see if anything works, like figure out what's wrong with it so we can replace it. So yeah. All right, now we're getting gas from the R6. We passed like 10 cops on the way here, so I'm a little weary about riding it on the street. So we're gonna see, right, Evan?
Yes.
Go follow my little brother, Evan Arthur Musician. This is my main boy. I love him. So we have the gas. We are on our way back to go fill up the R6. So we're actually able to see if it runs properly, make sure all the gears are smooth. So we're going to go find out. So we got the bike working. I got to ride it for about 10 minutes. And then the battery decided to give out. So we're thinking that the starter is not there, or maybe a power relay went out. So we're trying to figure it out. We're about to go get a new battery, see what happens. We just filled her up with gas, so that's good. And she works. I was able to ride her. Like, I only got her to 40 before she cut out, but so yeah, we'll be right back. So I had one of my mechanic buddies stop by, and he said that I need a new stator, so I just bought one. So we're gonna get the bike running sometime this week properly. I was able to get the bike up there, so hopefully we'll be able to get this running really soon. We're gonna find out. But here's the stator right here that I bought. So once we get that, we're gonna put it on. That we're actually gonna be able to rip the bike. Got new fairings on the way. Got new lights. This bike is gonna be basically brand new, and we're gonna see what else we need to replace because this thing's a project. But yeah, stay tuned.